Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Amazon Prime student offer. So it's fairly easy. Keep in mind you have to have not set up an Amazon account and have Prime currently. You have to basically not have it and you will sign up through this student discount plan. So I'm just going for this Chrome browser here. You can use any browser here and then I type here Amazon Prime student free trial. Tap on this search and then tap on this first option here. I will walk you through what this does. It gives you 6 months for free when you initially sign up, and then after that, instead of paying $15 a month, you can pay 50% or half if you are gonna pay about $750 per month. So you can get in half of while you are student. Now keep in mind all you have to do is hit try Prime student right here. It will go through the steps having you create a new Amazon account, and you will have to go through the process of verifying that you are a student. So you will need to either upload a transcript, upload your basically student ID, use an email, something like that. You will need to verify to some way, some degree that you are a student, college, university, you are taking a credit for free for a year, and then every single year they will renew that and check to make sure that you are student again. So essentially you can renew it right before you graduate, and then you get it for the student price for another year even after you graduate as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.